he was rushed from the White House Correspondents' Dinner after gunshots fired. And sabi ng U.S. President that the gunman armed with multiple weapons was taken down by some of the very brave men of the Secret Service. So as we know that one of the Secret Service officer was shot at a very close range. However, just like he indicated and said that he was saved by his bulletproof. So I know that they all wear bulletproof vest. So ang mga attendees sa dinner na yan, everybody rush underneath their tables. Sabi ng isang BBC journalist na we all crawled and scared na parang their time to crawl under their tables was a long time. Kasi pag may mga ganyang incidents, parang seconds were taking place like a long, long time. So the president had a press conference and took some questions earlier na the event will be rescheduled at a different time. Sabi niya, the experience was a very traumatic experience for both the president and the first lady. Sabi niya, we are not going to let anybody take over our society, he said, and I quote. The president says initially also did not want to leave. I fought like hell to stay, he says, but I was advised by the protocol to leave. So it's unclear at this time kung itong shooter na ito is alone, and of course ang kanyang information is not disclosed yet. But sabi ni Attorney General Blanche, sabi niya na the charges will be filed shortly and they're self-evident. Sabi niya, he says the FBI and the Secret Service agents are still in Washington Hilton combing through the scene, and I promise, sabi niya, na justice will be served. And I quote. So sabi niya na we are now hearing from acting General Todd Blanche, who says the best and the worst of the country was displayed today. Sabi niya the best of the country were the law enforcement agents who did exactly what to do to protect the president and save his life. And he adds that they did what is visible for them to do. And sabi niya, Trump says the suspect has been taken into custody and is a very sick person. Sabi niya na he also the president thanked the events representative who did a beautiful job with the beautiful evening that was focused on free speech and in the Constitution. Sabi niya the event will be rescheduled within 30 days. Sabi niya na it will be bigger, better, and even nicer. So that's what President Trump said earlier. So another attempt to his life, and that has been expected. As we know, Iran have made a lot of attempts to continually try to assassinate him until he's killed. And as a matter of fact, because of these attempts, he already had pretty much, had written up something that in the event that he will be killed, that there's already a protocol and there's already all these things in place for what will happen at that time. But hopefully, Secret Service agents will do what they do best and that's the only thing that they do is to protect the president from any incidents like this.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am Marisa, may mga ulat na ba or mga update? Bakit kaya nakapasok din itong shooter dyan mismo sa may event or saan po siya nakapwesto itong shooter? Batay sa mga balita dyan.
That is one of the biggest questions, how a person with multiple guns in his possession was able to even get in. So that is under investigation at this time. Normally, pag under investigation na ganito, they will not disclose any information so that it doesn't, display or dispose what they're trying to do and what do they know from this event. But yes, that is very scary. How in the world that a gunman with multiple guns were able to get in. So I can tell you that will be investigated. Talagang they will want to make sure that how did that happen. So there's still some protocols that obviously was not followed. Why a person like this was allowed? Kasi to these events, very strict talaga ang security, even surrounding the place. Even the streets going to the event will be very, very tough to get in unless you have an actual invitation to go with evidence that you do have that. So that will be very interesting to see in the next few days, but I'll tell you, they are on it. It's scary. It's really scary na bakit nangyari na naman ito. So Obviously, ang security is not perfect. Obviously, may mga loopholes yan na why an instance like this happens. So, but as incidents like this happen, that's the more na they keep trying to improve and they will go through what was missed.